Hi everybody, Verna Lecter here, and I would like to invite you to join me on the last Primordial Sound Meditation course of 2018. Primordial Sound Meditation removes layers and layers of stress of your body and mind so that you can rediscover that peace and joy within. I have wonderful news as well, is that I'm not only going to be offering this class at the studio, but I will also be live streaming the practice so that you can do it at the comfort of your own home. So even if you do not live in Tampa and that you'd like to come and attend this class virtually, you'll be able to. The videos will also be available to be watched afterwards, after the class. So if that's what was holding you back was the distance, so thank you to technology, we are going to be able to bring this course to you. So if you are interested in attending the course live in person with me or virtually online from the comfort of your own home, go ahead and click on the link below so that you can receive more information about this class. I look forward to helping you in this journey. Have a wonderful day and namaste.